Welcome to Enugu, the beautiful city on a hill.
This is definitely one of the most beautiful cities in Nigeria, and we can't wait to show you.
Welcome to Arlin TV, your favorite travel family. On today's video, we are going to be exploring the city of Enugu, the beautiful coast city and popularly called 042. We're going to be driving around the town, bringing you some very beautiful environment in the city and showing you what the city looks like in general in 2024. Enugu is a very beautiful city. I relocated back to Enugu since 2015 and it has been an awesome experience residing in the city. In fact, the city is very beautiful, though not as beautiful as when I came because a lot of roads are getting bad, but then you can't still take it away that the view in Enugu State is very, very awesome and beautiful. In fact, when you climb any little mountain at all, any little hill, the view of what you see around the town is really, really awesome. So this is just a general overview of what the city looks like. If you are new to our channel, you are welcome to Arlin TV. Do not hesitate to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you get to know we upload new videos. For returning subscribers, thank you very much. We really do appreciate your love for our channel. And do not hesitate to give us your feedback in the comment section at the end of this video. So pretty soon we're going to be driving through New Haven, Independence Layout, Ogui Road. So if you have stayed in Enugu before or you grew up around this axis, do let us know in the comment section. So let us know you stayed in this particular area while you were in Enugu State. And again, Enugu is known for its dry land. As you can see, this is January. The lands are very dry. The leaves, all of them are dried. In fact, we're even praying for rain to fall in Enugu State right now. So, and one major challenge we do experience in Enugu State is also water. At a time like this, the ground is very dry. Most pumping machines, or sumo as it's popularly called, do not work this period. So currently we're at New Haven, having a drive around New Haven. We're just coming down from Upper Chime, going down to Lower Chime, but generally all of them is called New Haven. So this is New Haven and one of the most popular area as far as Enugu State is concerned. You can't visit Enugu State and don't hear New Haven. It's one of the most popular area you can hear about in Enugu State. So we are just driving down now, approaching Uduma. From Uduma, we take it down to the popular Otti Junction, where we're making a turn to Ogui Road. So stay tuned to this channel, stay tuned to this video, so you can get to see all of those places we are going to be showing you on this ride. Yeah, great to see that tree planting started at the time. I don't know why a lot of them have died off at the middle of the road. I was excited to see that trees were being planted at the middle of the road, but over time I was no longer seeing the trees, so a lot of them died off. So I think as a result of the dry season and everything, but some of them are still there, so we can't wait for them to grow properly well so that to just give this area a very beautiful outlook. You know, I often say that about Calabar a lot of greenery. A lot of trees are planted along the roadside. It just gives the city a bit of calmness, and the city is just looking cool because of that. So I think New Haven will be very fine by the time these trees are all fully grown. And again, the street lights, sometimes it works, sometimes it does not work. I think it will be good to see that the street light is constantly working. So for those in charge, if you are seeing this video, do well to ensure that the street lights are always on, because it looks very, very beautiful at night driving around this axis. So we are almost at Otigba Junction now, and the junction we just passed can take you to Bisala Road, where you head straight to Government House. That's the Lion House in Enugu State. So with that statue you can see ahead of us, that is the symbol of Otigba Junction. So once you are seeing that sculpture, you know you are already at Otigba Junction. So this is the popular Otigba Junction. Here used to be the hottest spot at night. It used to be very busy at night, but a lot of other spots have taken over this place, but its popularity in its name has not changed, and people still know it for what it is. So, but that is Otigba we just passed. So we're currently driving on Ogui Road. So we're going to drive Ogui Road down to P&T Junction, where we'll be taking a turn to 6th Avenue axis. So stay tuned with us. If you are seeing our video for the first time, you are welcome to Arlin TV. We are your favorite travel family. Don't hesitate to click the subscribe button to join our big family, and also turn on notification bell so you always get to know when we upload new videos like this. And for returning subscribers, thank you very much. We really do appreciate your love for our channel. So this is Keyeta Market, the old Keyeta Market that we are the old artisan market that we are passing now. This is artisan market. There is new artisan now, so this is the main artisan market that we know in Enugu State before the new artisan was built. So we've passed the traffic light at this artisan market, so we'll be taking it down a little bit towards stadium. So the Enugu Stadium, where the Rangers International Football Club plays their match, we'll be passing there pretty soon, and just showing you a glimpse of what that environment looks like. Everything pertaining to sport, everything pertaining to computer accessories, you are likely to get around the stadium environment. So we'll be there pretty soon. So we're just approaching local bus stop for those who are familiar with the environment, and there's a junction just by local that they call Lagos Street. You can also use that to navigate back to Government House. So the whole place is intertwined to Government House, to Independence Layout, as the case may be. So we're keeping our drive on. Pretty soon we'll be at the stadium axis to give you a view of what that environment looks like. You can check our video catalog for some other awesome video on Enugu State that we've done, the masquerade, the village tour. Just go check our video catalog on Enugu State, and we'll have lots of video there for you to watch from Enugu State. And if you have a video recommendation, feel free to let us know in the comment section, and we'll try our best to bring it to you. Some persons have made recommendations, and we also tried our best to bring the videos to them. So that is stadium. You can see already with that light up by our right hand side with the flags all flying. So that's the stadium, and with the symbol of the lion, which is what Enugu is known for. So that's why the Government House is called the Lion House. So that's the stadium gate. That's the entrance to the stadium. So that's the stadium we just passed now. So very soon we're approaching P&T, where you can take it to Holy Ghost, to Old Park, and where you can get a lot of buses going to different parts of Nigeria. So let's keep on the drive going. So if you are familiar with this axis, do well to rep in the comment section. Let us know you are familiar with this axis. Again, if you are watching our video till now and you are not yet a subscriber, please do well to click the subscribe button. Turn on notification bell to join our big family. For returning subscribers, thank you very much. Like I always say, we are honestly looking forward to your comments in the comment section. The clips are a little blur because the whole place is dried. The dust is quite much this period. Thank you so much, guys. We appreciate you, and this is P&T. This is where we're bringing the video to an end. Thank you so much. We'll catch you in our next video.